It was?
Yeah. But my knees hurt because I also have to kneel in my dance.
Silk Press with 1212 products. Hello, beautiful, and welcome back to another video. Our dancing beauty is back, and today she is getting her hair blown out, and we are so excited. I'm just going to go and talk through the process just a little bit here and there, but just like the other videos, you can just watch and groove out to the music. So first I like to use a detoxifying mask before even shampooing to remove all existing product buildup and pollution from the hair, so we have a nice and clean slate. This mask also removes particles from hard water. So this is my favorite mask to use, and you see me working it in. So next I'm going to be using the 1212 shampoo, and this is their clover scent shampoo, and I absolutely love this shampoo. Like, once I rinse this out, you're going to see like instant definition in her curls and how they clump together just from using a shampoo. I was so amazed. Like, look at this. Look at this. This is just from a shampoo. So that shampoo is the truth. I will be repurchasing it. Like, just amazing. Okay, so now I'm following with the conditioner, and this is the minty conditioner, and I wanted the minty shampoo, but they did not have it in stock, so their customer service actually called directly and to let me know, and I was just so amazed with the company itself, with just being diligent and letting me know, not just sending another product, but letting me know that it is on back order and if I was okay with receiving the clover scent. The shampoos are actually the same formula, just different scents. So I was like, yes, because I just wanted to try the product anyway. But their customer service is amazing. This conditioner is amazing, and so I'm just gonna go through and steam like I always do with the conditioner, and yeah, and I mean the results was just amazing. just look at just how easily everything just come apart. And so now I'm going to follow up with their leave-in conditioner. This leave-in is also a heat protectant. So this was a little bit of a learning curve for me because I am so used to using multiple products in order to receive that look. So with just using literally 3 products, like I said, it was a learning curve, but it was definitely worth it. And I will continue using these products in this method to do my silk press. And I like to first blow dry with the comb attachment, and I get the hair about 80% dry, still leaving texture in the hair. I like to do this method because our hair is curly and I do not want to put too much stress on the hair strands with going from curly to using a brush and then concentrated heat. So I do like to go ahead and blow dry. I'm leaving some texture in the hair because let's be honest, it's the silk press, but it is still leaving texture so that we do not have heat damage. So yeah, and I'm just like, and also after I go through with the comb attachment, then I'll go ahead and get my ion bamboo brush and go ahead and go through and blow dry more concentrated, hitting the roots and all the way down to the tip. And as you can see, it just makes everything just go by much smoother with going through with that comb attachment first. And then once I get finished with this part, I like to go back in on cool setting and do the same thing, cooling down the hair completely. And then I add a serum. So yeah, so you'll see me do all that in these next few clips. And now we're going to trim. Having the hair completely blown out is the best time to get your hair trimmed. So get those trims, ladies. So one pass is all you need, and you will see that literally to get your hair straight, one pass, because we went through and did the proper shampooing method, conditioning method, blow drying method, and because her hair is not a coarser texture, literally one pass is all you need. And we'll be doing 2 passes today. One pass for the straightening and then another pass for applying the curl at the end of the straightening. And there you have it. You have a nice, smooth, but textured silk press. And now we're about to see her reaction.
I love it.
The 1212 product line is here to stay at the C.O.Z Parlor. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a blessed day.
You're gonna want one of these.
What does it help with?
Everything.